What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Now, I had mentioned in previous videos that we're going to start blending tech and style all into one channel, and this is more of one of those style videos, okay? There's no real tech involved. I'm sorry. If you're a tech head, you're here for the tech, this probably isn't the video for you, but give it a shot. Maybe you'll enjoy it. Today, we're going to take a look at a box. Now, this is a kit from Hawthorne. If you're not familiar with Hawthorne, check them out. Links in the show notes. There is basically a grooming service that you can actually even subscribe to. So let's just go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you what I've got. I ordered one of their bundles, and you may have seen these guys. They actually caught my eye on my Instagram feed, of all places. I'd ordered some natural deodorants or something like that, so of course they know exactly what you're doing. So then I started getting stuff like this in my feeds, and this one actually caught my eye, so I went ahead and ordered this. And you can see here on the packaging it says your best self awaits, Hawthorne. There you go. See, look, there's some tech. Look, right? It's got some tech in here. I'm not lying. Tech. This is all self-improvement stuff, right? So they have a nice little Hawthorne welcome, and then everything is packaged in here super nice. Okay. Now, I believe this kit was upwards of about $100, probably about 120, 130, I don't know. But you don't have to get this kit. You can buy these individually, or you can buy their bundles. So I went ahead with the bundle. So let's just quickly open up what we got here. So this here, you see, like, everything's really packaged. Uh-oh. Might have to actually... Do I have to get scissors? No. Good. I was like, oh, please don't make me have to cut these. So, the first item we have is face cleanser. Hawthorne. Now, of course, they have stuff for ladies, stuff for dudes. This is all for dudes. So you got this here. Your face cleanser is a deep cleansing formula with aloe, charcoal, and refreshing, like, soap bark. So a lot of this it should be all naturally good stuff, right? So wet face, lather dime size amount onto face, neck with a circular motion for 30 seconds. Rinse with warm water, pat dry, and apply face lotion. There you go. Instructions on how to do it. So we got that. And then we have this one. Go ahead and pop this one open. Now, see, if you're rocking a bachelor pad, you put this stuff out on your lavatory, your sink, whatever, and the ladies are gonna be like, this dude, he's pretty down. Got some face lotion. Okay, got the face cleanser, got the face lotion, and I don't know how these smell yet, but I'll check them out. So we got face cleanser, face lotion. This is all about the face. Okay? So then what do we got? We got some deodorant, all natural. Here, we'll just take a quick little sniff of this. There we go. Ooh, wow, I really like that. Man, hard to say what all is in that. Man, I really do like that smell. Very outdoorsy. Ooh, actually, it's got a little bit of maybe mint, I'm guessing. I really like it, though. So all natural too. None of that aluminum and crap. Stay away from the chemicals. We're secretly killing ourselves by the stuff we put on our bodies ourselves. It just soaks through our skin. We do deodorant every day or antiperspirant that has the aluminum and the other chemicals in it. That stuff just soaks into your skin over time. You're not doing your body any favors. And then for the shower, we've got some body wash. Your body wash has been designed to provide a gentle cleanse. It's nourishing, sulfate-free. And when you go to this site, you fill out a little bit of a survey, and it tries to match you to the best possible stuff. Like if you have sensitive skin and allergies, and what are you looking for? Are you looking for exfoliating? Are you looking for moisturizing? It has all those kind of things that it asks you, and it tries to fit you best in. That doesn't smell too terrible. I like it. Can't really smell it too good until you get it lathering up. So then we've got the next package. And this is a thickening. So, kind of a little messy, kind of sticky. So this is your thickening shampoo. It has been formulated to boost fullness. It is strengthening and volumizing. So I obviously, when I was picking my hair part of my survey, I was like, I'm thinning. I need some thickening. There's oily, you know, dry, whatever. Different choices. So I did the thickening. So we'll see how that does. And last but not least, this was probably the most expensive piece in this kit, was their cologne. So let's go ahead and open that up. Pretty fancy on the cologne there. Nice little box. There we go. Pleased to meet you. Again, this is formulated based on the answers to the questions. So I've got the play and the work. So let's go ahead. I've already worked. So let's see what the play smells like. And again, these were, I think these are about 50 bucks. So each one of these is 50. So this is the bulk of the expense in here. So if you didn't want the cologne, you could get the body stuff and not spend a ton. But you do save when you bundle these up. I think you save like 30 or 40 bucks overall. So it's a pretty good deal. So I'm just going to spray a little of this play on my wrist. Oop. And oh, wow, I smell that. It smells really good. Ooh. Oh yeah. Ooh. I am really impressed. That actually smells amazing. Okay. Thumbs up for the play. I'll have to try the workout a little bit later on. Man, that is really, really good smelling. I don't even know. Kind of musky? Man, I don't know. Hard to say. So this is designed in our fragrance lab and delivered straight to you. Our Hawthorne package contains premium fragrances. Our award-winning perfumes use only the highest quality ingredients to create modern classics. So, yeah, I really like that. That does smell amazing. So anyway, guys, this is the first kind of tech it onto style versus just tech. So I hope you enjoyed it. Check the show notes again. I'll have links for all this stuff. Hawthorne's website, the items that I actually selected here, and again, you know, pretty much have everything covered: face, hair, body, deodorant, everything. It'll be interesting to see all these smells combined, what I'm going to put together, right? Supposedly, though, this fits my needs and fits what I like based on the survey questions that I answered. So check them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more tech, more style, and we'll continue this journey in these unprecedented times of COVID-19. Have a good one.